Our topic today is atoms. Atoms are tiny particles. They combine to make molecules. These molecules make up all the matter in the universe, with the exception of some super-dense celestial bodies. Until now, there are 118 known elements. Each element is represented by an atom with a certain number of protons. An atom consists of a nucleus and electrons. The nucleus consists of positively charged particles known as protons, and particles known as neutrons that have no electrical charge at all. And lastly, electrons, with a negative electrical charge. Electrons rapidly orbit the nucleus, in imaginary orbits known as energy levels. The nucleus, which has a positive charge, is attracted to electrons which have a negative charge due to electromagnetic attraction. The atomic number of an element is written above it in the periodic table. It represents the number of protons or electrons in an atom. And since the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, the charge of an atom is neutral. Sometimes, when two atoms react to form a molecule, one of them loses its outermost energy level, losing an amount of electrons to another atom. The element that loses electrons is a metal, while the element that gains electrons is a non-metal. For example, sodium is a metal, and chlorine is a non-metal. When they react, they form table salt. After losing electrons, an atom from a metal is known as a positive ion, and after gaining electrons, an atom from a non-metal is known as a negative ion. And since the ions have opposite charges, they attract, forming what is known as an ionic bond. Another bond that forms between atoms is known as a covalent bond, where two atoms share the electrons that they need to be stable. A good example is the oxygen molecule. Another example of a covalent bond is the water molecule. And that's the end of the video. Bye, see you next time.